We are back with the next question. This question is from linked list easy category only. So this question is delete a node. So what we have to do here is delete the node given at given position in a linked list and return a reference to the head node. The head is at position 0. The list may be empty after you delete the node. In that case, return a null value. Okay. So what we'll do here, we'll be given the number of nodes in a linked list, then the n number of nodes, and then the position at which we have to delete the element. So here we have to delete the third element. So an element at index 3. So this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3. 19 we have to delete. So we'll be left with 26, 2, 7, 4, 15, and 9. Okay. So in deletion there can be two types, okay, in linked list. One is where you are given the index and you have to delete that particular index value, which is this question. Other one can be where you'll be given a element from the linked list. Let's say in my question they say delete the element after a certain item after 2. So 2 के आगे जोन सा भी element है उसको delete करना है. So in that case it will be different. Approach will be different. There you'll have to first find 2 and then you'll have to delete the next one. Okay. So this one is easy only. Here we have to just work with the index. Okay. So what we'll do here, we will first of all again use the for loop for int I equals 0, I less than position minus 1. I told you in the last video why we are going till position minus 1 because we need the element before that particular index. Okay. So what we will do is we need a ptr variable. I forgot that. So single linked list node pointer type variable ptr, and that will be my head, which is from a list. Okay. So what I'll do here is ptr equals ptr next. Okay. So now I will have what? I will have in ptr, I will have 2. Okay. What I want to do is, this is very important. When you're deleting a node from a linked list, you don't actually delete the node. We just break the links. So यहाँ पे 2 को 19 से लिंक है, 19 को 7 से लिंक है. Okay. We have to break these two links and make a new link from 2 to 7 directly. Okay. उससे क्या होगा, 2 को हम 7 से लिंक कर देंगे. ठीक है. उससे 19 हमारा मेमोरी से गायब नहीं होगा. लिंक गायब हो जाएगा तो लिंक लिस्ट से गायब हो जाएगा. मेमोरी में वो तब भी रहेगा. ओके. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज ptr हैज टू, आई वांट टू से कि ptr का नेक्स्ट शुड बी ptr's next. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू कि जो ptr का नेक्स्ट है, इसका नेक्स्ट क्या हो जाए, ptr के नेक्स्ट का नेक्स्ट, जो अभी जो नेक्स्ट है उसका नेक्स्ट 7, तो ptr का नेक्स्ट 7 हो जाए, तो वो हो गया मेरा काम. ठीक है. इसके अलावा okay, if you run this one, and end of the day you have to return the head node, right? That is alias. If you run this, mm, yeah, see, these two test cases will be passed, okay. But when you submit this code, there will be, yeah, this is the wrong answer, hidden test case. You know, you need to unlock it. I'll show you why. Because if in this case, in this question, अगर हमें वो zero देगा यहाँ पे कि zeroth index वाले को delete करो, कि you have to delete the head itself. In that case, what this code will do, it will take ptr equal to a list head पे ptr आएगा head पे I less than position minus 1. So position is given 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Is 0 less than minus 1? No. So it won't go here. Okay. ptr का next equals ptr के next का next. Now 20 was supposed to be deleted. Okay. What I did here is ptr का next. 20 का next is 6. Okay. I am saying that becomes ptr का next का next. ptr का next का next means 20 का next मैंने 2 पे डाल दिया. I deleted 6. I didn't delete 20. And that's the reason this code fails. Okay. Here you have to add one more line. If the position given equals 0, if in case we have to delete the head node, in that case what we will do is we will say ptr equals uh, ptr already has the head, right? So I want to say, okay, I have to change my head actually. So L list will become ptr ka next. So what I did here is ptr and L list. L list is nothing but head, okay? So पीटीआर एंड हेड आर बोथ आर सेम. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं हेड को पीटीआर के नेक्स्ट पे डाल दे रहा हूँ. तो मेरा हेड क्या हो गया, 20 जो था वो हो गया पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट. पीटीआर अभी क्या है, 20. तो 20 का नेक्स्ट क्या है, 6. तो मेरा 6 जब जो है हेड बन गया. ठीक है. और 20 मेरा लिंक लिस्ट से गायब हो गया क्योंकि उसका कोई लिंक बचा नहीं है. ठीक है. अगर पोजीशन 0 होगा तो दिस विल हैपन. एल्स विल पुट एवरीथिंग हियर. कंट्रोल एक्स, वी. Yeah. And here also, here only we will return a list, and in this case we will return it over here. Okay. So if we have to delete the head, this will pass. This if condition will be followed, and if any other position we have to delete, then this condition will be followed. Okay. So submit this code now, and this will pass all the test cases. हो जाएगा ये. And there is actually one more thing you can do here, which is a good practice. See, this question is done. What you can do is you can store the node which you're deleting. Let's say you're deleting 19 here, right? So in that case, you should store the 19 in a temp variable. You should have a this singly linked list node. You should have a temp variable, okay? And you should store this over here. Temp equals ptr the next, okay? And before returning this L list, you should say free temp. What this will do is it will not only remove the links. My code is removing the links, right? This free temp will release all the memory which was taken by the node. The 19 का जो node था उसने जितना भी memory लिया था वो हम free कर रहे हैं यहाँ से. Similarly, you can do here as well. Head को ptr का next दे रहे हैं, but I'll also keep a temp which will have my head, and before returning I will free that temp. Sorry, not free a list, free temp. This is one more thing you can do. It's a good practice. It's not compulsory to do here because if you see come up here in the code template which is given, they have a function called void free singly linked list. Okay, this function they are calling in their main function at the end. So they are freeing the memory, but only from the linked list. But you have to free the memory from the node as well. जो node हमने delete किया है उसका memory भी हमको free करना है. So that will be done by this. Okay, that's it about it. Thank you.